We're gonna cook some chicken gizzards from start to finish, guys. Enjoy this nice recipe. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen, guys. If you heard my voice not too well, a little bit coarse. I was coughing a lot, so I'm feeling a little bit better. So today I'm gonna do a beautiful recipe for you guys. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, we're gonna do a nice brown stew chicken gizzard. So we already cleaned up them already. We already washed them, everything. I'm going to cut them up. So nice, beautiful, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So over here, this is all the season we're going to use to prepare the chicken gizzard. So we have half a stalk spring onion. We have half of yellow, half of red, half of green bell pepper. 1 onion, 1 small carrot. We have 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We have half a teaspoon of onion powder. We have half a teaspoon of salt. We have 4 cloves of garlic. We have a piece of ginger. So I'm gonna lose a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper, guys. And we have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce. And we have 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, a beautiful, awesome, delicious recipe. Chicken gizzard, guys. So yes, my beautiful people, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put them in a bigger bowl. So I'm just gonna add some seasoning to it. So right now I'm just gonna add in the onion powder. So I want to scrape out all of that onion powder in it. Then the garlic powder. Then the all-purpose season. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to that. Not too much salt, just a little bit of salt. You've got all-purpose season of salt to that already. So you don't want to add too much salt to that. And I'm just gonna add some pepper to it. But the scotch bonnet pepper, I ain't gonna add in the scotch bonnet pepper as yet. So just gonna give that a stir. So I wanna mix up all of that all-purpose seasoning. That garlic powder. It's a nice chicken liver, guys, and chicken gizzard. My apology. Anybody never have chicken gizzard before? Try it, guys. A nice, delicious recipe. Nice, delicious, crunchy meat from the chicken.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. You're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I'm nothing living now. That's all I can do. I'll get you to something that I'll see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will can wait on beside you. I will. When nothing really matters, that's all I can do. I'll get you something, but I will see you soon. I can wait on beside you. I will. I can wait on beside you. I will. When nothing really matters.
Yes, my beautiful people, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just add some water to it because you know that chicken gizzard is a little bit chewy. So I add some water to it. I'm gonna give it around 20 minutes to around 25 minutes. Gonna turn on the fire to a medium and medium burn, not too high, and let it take time and cook down. Because you know that if you cook chicken gizzard like that, it look a bit chewy. So you want to put some water into it. So I ain't gonna add the bell pepper, the spring onion, and the carrot as yet. Then another 10 minutes. So give it around 20 minutes to go and cook down, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, so this will be cooking on for the last 15 minutes. Okay, remember it's chicken gizzard we're doing, people, and chicken gizzard is not like chicken liver or chicken. Chicken gizzard is a little bit crunchy. So this has been cooking on for the last 15 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in the carrot. So I ain't gonna add in the bell pepper and the spring onion as yet. So I add in the carrot, and now I'm just gonna add a bit of white vinegar. We're gonna half a teaspoon of white vinegar. So I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes, and then after I add in the bell pepper and the spring onion.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Yes, my beautiful people, so that's been cooking for the last 25 minutes, people. Put the time on it for the last 25 minutes. We ain't cooking chicken, we ain't cooking chicken liver. This is chicken gizzard. Chicken gizzard are look a bit crunchy, people, so we have to give it a nice time to make it cook down. Cause if it don't cook down properly, when you eat it, it's gonna come out like it's chewy. So I'm just gonna turn off this fire now, because I don't want the gravy here to dry it out. So it's all finished, guys. Nice, beautiful recipe in Sylvan Kitchen. So I did my spring onion. Don't want my spring onion to cook right out, so I turn off the fire. My lemon tea over there coming down nicely as well, so I'll give this a nice stir. So everything is nice and finished, guys. Nice and finished. Oh my God, look at that, my beautiful people. Nice, beautiful. Over here, I have some gungo rice and peas we're gonna serve it with. All finished, my beautiful people. All finished. All finished, guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. And please like the video before you go. And please check out the rest of the channel for the rest of the beautiful videos in myself and kitchen. And anybody want to be a patron, I'm going to drop the link. My PayPal account is there. So anybody want to leave a donation to Self in Kitchen, I really appreciate it. Take care. Stay safe.